Hello, people. This is Corinne again. And for today's question, guys, it is about what is happiness? So, happiness is a feeling. We all know that happiness is a feeling, it's an emotions that we're gonna feel every time there's like a positive thing that happened in our life. But what is really happiness? When we search it in the dictionary or in the internet, it will gonna give us a literal meaning, right? It is just a form of a feeling, a positive feeling, and it is very good for us person or for us as individual or human being. But I want us to go deeper at in this video, guys. When we say happiness as an adult, it will gonna take us back to our young days, to the days that we're just playing or just thinking about how to play, when our parents let us go outside from our house to be with our childhood friends to play, right? Or during our high school days, whenever there's like a meeting or there's no class, right? That's our happiness. As an adult now, I don't know if I don't know what's your happiness, but my happiness right now, guys, is to talk to the love of my life, to have conversations with him, and to connect. And aside from that, to eat peanut butter, my favorite food, to drink coffee, and just to watch Netflix as well. That's my happiness. And yeah, of course, I love to speak in public. That's my happiness. Public speaking is my happiness. But I'm not sure if I can do it. But yeah, let's see in the future. So when we say about happiness, like we started to like think and make a pause for 30 seconds maximum and just think about, yeah, what is that really happiness is as an adult? Because happiness as a kid, as a teenager, is just all about playing, chatting with friends, and getting good things, material things. But as an adult, it became different. Okay, that's the time that it will gonna become different. As an adult, our happiness is comfort, rest days, foods, for us, or the ability to pay our bills, and the ability to have this kind of room that we can rest whenever we want, whenever we feel tired, the ability to have work or finish work, right? And the ability to just go to survive the day. That's our happiness. Some people might see it as a routine, a normal things that an individual could do. But yeah, some of us guys really look at it as our happiness. I mean, it's very normal things, but when you take a look at it, it really give us a genuine happiness into our state of emotion. Okay, we feel satisfied and we feel like at rest. For me, happiness is not about materials. It's not about getting $1 million. Well, we feel happy if we get $1 million, right? But on top of that, other than that things, happiness, comfort, being at peace, just rest whenever you feel tired, being able to talk to the love of our lives, and just get to, get to eat, or just able to eat the things that we love to eat. That's happiness. Because when we turn into adulthood, everything is just surviving, right? Deny it, or I mean, we cannot deny it, guys. Everything is all about surviving. It's up to us if we like happy of some things that we preferred or we have as our happiness. But again, uh, in adulthood, everything became survival, or everything is just all about surviving. We started to we started to think about how to survive the 15 days before pay, or how to survive the traffic, the heavy traffics, for us not to be late during work, or how to lessen the the distance of us to walk to work, or go off, or to home, right? So that's our happiness. And when we take a look at it, like it's very easy to get, but yeah, guys, some people is very or might see it as a very hard thing to get in life, especially a comfort room, like a bed with a fan and with a light with full of foods, right? But I hope that regardless of what you're having right now, regardless of what you're feeling right now, even you feel sad, even that you're questioning your happiness as of the moment, or you're questioning God, why is it I'm not happy anymore? Why is it that for a long time I feel lonely and sad? I want you to remember that happiness will always be there. Happiness will always come to you, to your life. I cannot give you the exact time frame because this really depends on our lives, on you, the status of your life. But definitely, it will gonna come. You just need to wait, have patience, and I think, guys, I really believe that when you're not happy, when happiness is not in your life, you're in a state of learning. You're in a state of of evolution. Okay, so it's it's like it's like God teaching or giving you the sign for you to start learning in life. Because when we are in a state of being happy, like we just at rest and we there's no emergency, like we do not need to do some survival, we do not need to do some things to learn, we do not need to do some things to like uh, to finish some challenges or worries because we're happy. So I really believe that I mean, if you're not happy today, if I'm not happy today, that means that it's God telling us that today I want you to discover things that is very important for your future or for your present. And I really believe, guys, that it's not all the time that a person cannot be happy. Okay? As of the moment, you're happy. As of the moment, you might be sad, but in the long run, eventually you're gonna be happy. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Like that's my experience. That's my perspective towards life, and I mean towards happiness in life. For me, my happiness is having peace, having enough foods to eat, my peanut butter, Mackie, Alki, the love of my life, my room, my fun, that's my happiness, and my work as well. I don't know what your happiness is, but I want you to to be remembered that for you to have happiness, you do not need any materials, any expensive materials. Sometimes the true happiness that we always have is just right there, um, being in front of us. We just not realize it because we're having it. The only time that we realize that it's our happiness is when we lost it. That time when we lost it. And the regret comes next. Okay, that's the time that we feel regret or that we do regret. So yeah, the bottom line of this video is for you to be reminded that happiness is just a state of emotions, and it doesn't require us to have it all the time. It is okay to be not okay. Is it okay to be sad? And it's just, I mean, being sad is or being not in a state of happiness or being happy is the time for us to learn things, the time for us to discover things, and the time for us to evolve as a person. Okay, so yeah, guys, and that's it. It's 10 minutes, and thank you so much for watching. So I'm gonna see you in my next video.